Let's go to the reporting tab, and this is version 3.6. Here we start off seeing a report looking at password change events, which we've had a few this month. And we can hover our cursor over to see the number of checks, matches, and which policy each match violated. The continuous monitoring tab, likewise, shows the number of checks and matches, with a similar breakdown for policy violations. Going down to the protected users report, here we see all of the users we're monitoring and their status, and we can refresh this at any time. I have about 1,000 users or so here in my demo environment, and this is a very quick check that scales well across tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of users. And you can see here if the users are compromised, or we can also see if the users are out of policy, which means they're not necessarily compromised, but they don't comply with at least one of the policies you have configured. And if we want to instantly remediate any of this, we can go under users with compromised or out of policy passwords. And for example, I can force a password change, disable an account or accounts, or notify users by email. And you can do this in addition to the automated remediation actions you have set up. You can also see which users are sharing passwords under this report, which often means there may have been a default password that hasn't been changed, or maybe the passwords that these users selected are weak. We also give you visibility into users with passwords set to never expire, which, depending on your organization's internal policies, could be relevant for you to know. You can also see which users have no password set, which is a significant security risk, and with this report you would have visibility into that. And you also have visibility into stale accounts, which have not been logged into in the past 6 months. And this often means that these accounts are no longer needed, and keeping them around is increasing your attack surface.